Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in sunny Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got such a nice little truck to show you here. This is a super clean, low mileage unit. This is a 2017 GMC 3500 series, and that's got a 16-foot box on it. And this truck, we drove this truck about 6 hours to get it here. So we know this truck is a strong, good, clean, good running, air blows cold, nice truck. And the truck really is in incredible condition. Hopefully you'll be able to see the tire condition on that. Body is super straight. There's no rust on this. This has a Morgan body on it. Morgan, of course, is one of the leaders in the industry. They put these extra stiff supports on the sides where the tie downs are on the inside, so you don't get that deck wobbling around on you when you're getting in the crosswinds. Back tires on it. Hopefully this will autofocus a little bit for you. Back tires on it are very good. It's got the little step deck on it. It's got the little rubber bumpers here for going up against a dock, and it's got the traditional aluminum loading ramp with its own little storage area right there. We all know how that works. There is a trailer hitch right there, and there's a step bumper. So this has got the smooth decking in it. No holes, no cracks, no problems. Again, it's got the wood tie downs on the sides. And it's got a translucent top. That's kind of nice. Look at how bright that is in there in the middle of the day. That works out really well. I'm going to just slide this door down because I want you to see that we're really not hiding anything from you. I just wanted you to be able to take a look at it and see how nice that is on the inside. This truck is really clean. This is really basically a no excuses unit. Look at the sides on there. You get to be the first one to run into a tree with it. Isn't that nice? That's got the sport wheels on it. Look at there. That's kind of funny. It has the big dual mirrors on the sides, both sides. As I say, it's a 2017. This has power door locks. It's kind of nice when you're traveling. It does have manual windows on it. It has cruise control. It has tilt wheel, automatic headlights, AM/FM stereo, and let's just see here. I think that works. Let's see if we can find it. Yep. It does if you just find a station. There you go. Anyway, so it's got working air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, nice dual captain's chairs, high backs, and they both have the fold-down armrest on them. Very comfortable. Look at how clean this thing is. Look at the floor mats on this. This thing is just there's no dealer magic here, guys. This is pretty much the way we got this truck. So this is just a nice strong little truck right here. Headliner on it. Everything is good. Such a clean little thing. And let me see here. Oh, I might have to turn the key on in order to show the mileage, huh? Okay. Oh, and then we'll probably have to close the door. Oh, by golly, look at there. It has a whole 101,000 miles on it. Nice. Low mileage. This has got the 6.0 V8 gas engine under the hood, so that's great. That is the best motor to have in that size truck. It's not too big to suck up all the fuel, and yet a 6-liter's got plenty of power to move whatever you're going to put on there, especially if you're going to have the little trailer or something behind that. 2017 GMC 1-ton dually, 16-foot box on it. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and my cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, we greatly appreciate you looking.